Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. First, ensure your Nintendo Switch is ready with the game. You'll begin by choosing from over 40 characters and many kart parts to customize your ride. To move forward, simply hold down the A button, and for stopping or backing up, press B. Steering is intuitive with the left joystick, or you can enable motion controls for a more immersive experience. It's all about getting comfortable with these basic movements. Items are crucial for success in Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. As you race, drive through the spinning item boxes to grab a power-up. To deploy your item, just press the L button. Some items, like the green shell, can be held behind you by pressing and holding L, offering a shield against incoming attacks. Learning what each of the 23 unique items does will give you a significant advantage over your rivals. Timing your item usage is key to victory. To truly excel, master drifting. Hold the R button as you turn into a corner to start a drift. Keep holding it to build a mini-turbo, indicated by colored sparks giving a quick burst of speed. There are 3 levels of mini-turbos: blue, orange, and pink. Also, press R when hitting ramps to perform a trick, granting a small speed boost. Don't forget slipstreaming. Drafting behind an opponent for a few seconds provides a helpful speed surge. Mario Kart 8 Deluxe offers several exciting ways to play. Start with Grand Prix mode to compete in cups and unlock new content, including over 25 kart bodies. For honing your racing lines and techniques, time trials are perfect for practicing on any of the 48 tracks. When you're ready for competition, challenge up to 4 friends locally or 12 players online. Experiment with various kart, tire, and glider combinations to discover what works best for your racing style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.